Hello everyone, welcome back to the Takeoff channel. The sophistication of the latest F-22 Raptor fighter jet, a leap in air superiority. The F-22 Raptor, long hailed as the pinnacle of air dominance, continues to evolve with cutting-edge advancements that reaffirm its status as the most sophisticated, fifth-generation fighter jet in the world. The U.S. Air Force has recently revealed a suite of upgrades that not only enhance the Raptor's combat capabilities, but also future-proof it against emerging threats in increasingly contested airspace. Stealth meets smart technology. At the core of the F-22's dominance is its unrivaled stealth. The latest variant features refined radar-absorbent materials and edge treatments, significantly reducing radar cross-section without compromising aerodynamics. This allows the Raptor to operate deep within enemy territory while remaining virtually invisible to conventional radar systems. Recent sensor upgrades, tested successfully over a series of 6 rigorous test flights, mark a transformative step. This includes an advanced radar system based on the active electronically scanned array radar, now enhanced with longer range, target discrimination, and electronic warfare capabilities. This system allows the F-22 to detect and track multiple targets at distances far exceeding its predecessors, while also jamming or deceiving enemy radars in real time. Network-centric warfare and AI integration. Modern warfare demands seamless communication and rapid data processing. The upgraded F-22 incorporates a revamped communication suite that aligns with the Pentagon's Joint All-Domain Command and Control initiative. Through secure, low-latency data links, Raptors can now act as both sensors and shooters in a battle network, sharing targeting data with F-35s, drones, and even naval and ground assets in real time. A key leap forward is the integration of artificial intelligence to assist with threat prioritization, sensor fusion, and mission management. AI algorithms on board help pilots sort through vast quantities of battlefield data, reduce cognitive load, and deliver actionable insights in milliseconds, empowering faster, more accurate decisions in dynamic combat environments. Enhanced maneuverability and survivability. The F-22 was already known for its super maneuverability, enabled by thrust vectoring nozzles and a high thrust-to-weight ratio. With recent software updates and flight control improvements, these capabilities have been further sharpened, enabling more agile dogfighting and evasive maneuvers. Survivability enhancements also include updated countermeasures and electronic warfare suites. Infrared threat detection systems have been refined, while the missile warning and flare chaff deployment systems now respond with improved precision and timing, offering greater protection in high-threat environments. Weapons system modernization. The Raptor's weapons bay has been reconfigured to accommodate newer, more versatile armaments. These include air-to-air missiles such as the AIM-260 Joint Advanced Tactical Missile, designed to outpace current long-range threats from adversaries. Additionally, precision-guided munitions and air-to-ground strike options have expanded its multi-role capabilities. Looking ahead, bridging toward next-generation air dominance. While the next-generation air dominance program looms on the horizon, The F-22 remains a critical bridge to that future. The ongoing modernization roadmap ensures that it will not only remain relevant, but be indispensable in high-end conflict scenarios. In essence, the latest iteration of the F-22 Raptor represents a remarkable fusion of stealth, speed, agility, and intelligence, qualities that make it not just a fighter, but a platform capable of commanding the battle space of tomorrow. Evolving mission versatility. What truly sets the upgraded F-22 Raptor apart is its growing multi-mission capability. Originally designed as an air superiority fighter, recent enhancements now allow the Raptor to take on precision strike, intelligence gathering, electronic warfare, and battlefield command roles, all from a single platform. This makes it far more adaptable in modern, multi-domain operations. New pod-based systems currently in development can be integrated without compromising stealth, enabling electronic attack, signals intelligence, and target geolocation in contested environments. This modularity turns the F-22 into a stealthy, flying node of battlefield information, capable of shaping the fight as much as it executes it. Strategic deterrence and global reach. The Raptor's deployment capability has also been refined. With support for aerial refueling, improved mission planning systems, and compatibility with forward-deployed bases, it can now project power globally at short notice. In recent multinational exercises, upgraded F-22s demonstrated their ability to integrate seamlessly with Allied forces, reinforcing their role in coalition air dominance missions. Moreover, its psychological impact, what defense analysts often refer to as a deterrence multiplier, remains unmatched. The mere presence of F-22s in a theater can shift adversary tactics, delay aggression, and provide reassurance to allies. With each upgrade cycle, the F-22 Raptor becomes not just a more lethal combat aircraft, but a smarter, more adaptable system of systems designed to dominate the airspace, disrupt enemy networks, and deliver decisive results in the battles of tomorrow.